up, YouTube? It's your girl Mine. I'm back with another video. As y'all can read by the title, it's your girl Move In Day. Y'all, this vlog is long overdue. Yes, I do apologize. And yes, I had to move into a whole different apartment. Like I said, I'm gonna do a story time on that. I already got all the footage and we'll talk about that later. But this is my unfurnished apartment tour for my apartment that I just moved into. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It's something different for me. I really like vlogging. So, of course, I incorporate stuff that's about me, my daily life, and all of it, the and above. Basically, I'm just going to show y'all my unfurnished apartment. The apartment that I chose, this is the apartment that I actually wanted. It took some time, but it was available on November the 1st. So I had to change my move-in date from October the 14th until November the 1st. So I was staying with my mom, and that's why I wasn't dropping content. But as you guys can see, I'm back on my regular schedule, and your girl's in her apartment. So my furnished apartment tour will be coming soon. I just got to get a few other knickknacks for my apartment, and then I'll just drop that. That probably drop within December. But stay tuned for that. But for right now, this is the unfurnished. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you like these videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Any recommendations on how I should furnish my apartment, drop down in the comments below. And everything that you guys need to know about me will be in the description box down below. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next vlog.